How to edit Alex Hormozi Captions. Welcome guys, in today's video I will show you how to edit Alex Hormozi Captions. I will be showing you this by using the AI tool Submagic. So keep watching. In this video I'll explain step by step how you can create those Alex Hormozi captions. First you want to go to submagic.co. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to make one first before you can log in. From here you can click on create and click or drag the file you want to edit right here. As you can see now, I've made my own reel and I'm going to show you how it looks like now.
I'll give you the first rule of entrepreneurship that I've learned, which is use what you have. And a lot more people have pain. A lot more people have anger. A lot more people have shame. And if you can use that as your gas in the beginning, you'll eventually get to a point where you can get out of that loop and then find something that you are really passionate about. But if you can't tie your shoes, you can't lift the weight, you can't send the DM, then you have to start with whatever you have.
All right, now let's see what Submagic can do. Before we go any further, you can select the languages. Over here, there are a lot of them, but now we'll choose just English. All right, so I haven't done anything yet. I let Submagic do the work and let's see what the results are.
I'll give you the first rule of entrepreneurship that I've learned, which is use what you have. And a lot more people have pain. A lot more people have anger. A lot more people have shame. And if you can use that as your gas in the beginning, you'll eventually get to a point where you can get out of that loop and then find something that you are really passionate about. But if you can't tie your shoes, you can't lift the weight, you can't send the DM, then you have to start with whatever you have.
So as you can see, Submagic automatically added the captions for you. There are more things that you can do with the app and I'm going to show you now. For example, as you can see on the left, all the words they say are put in here. What you can do is you can alter the words if you want to. For example, it says you'll. Maybe you want to change it to you will. You just type in you will. And as you can see, it already changes it for you. And you can also add a sound. Got a camera, a click, money sound, pop or whoosh. Let's say, for example, we click the ding over here, display it again.
I'll give you the first rule of entrepreneurship that I've learned.
And it has added the ding into the video. Now that's not all that you can do. You can delete a sentence if you want to. You can add a line if you want to. In the top bar you can click on design and here are all kinds of themes from Hormozi, from David, from Devin, Mr. Beast, Ali and Iman Gatsi. And as you click on it, it automatically changes the style. If you click on custom, you can change the font. If you want the words to be light, normal or heavy, you can select the size of the words. If you want to have it in uppercase or not. If you want to add a shadow, I would click on L because it shows the letters better. And here if you want 2 lines, only 1 line or only word by word. If you want it to be an animation or not. And if you want the emojis automatic, on top or without them. And here you can click and drag the position. I would say something around here because you want to see his face. And lastly, you can change the colors. Now we're at the second color. So let's say, for example, we want to change it to blue. It automatically changes to blue. If you're done, you can click on create theme. And as you can see, you've created your own theme. Again, here, let's say we go for Hormozi number 3. Also in the menu below, you can change the things you want to. You can change the size of it. You can change the position. Let's say here. And again, you can change the main colors. There is another feature Submagic has, and that is an AI generated description. Here it generates a description and hashtags for your own video, which is in my opinion a really cool option. Once you're done editing, you can click on save to save your project, or you can click on export and your video will be exported so you can upload it on your socials. Alright, so as we can see now the video is downloaded and let's take a look at the final results.
I'll give you the first rule of entrepreneurship that I've learned, which is use what you have. And a lot more people have pain. A lot more people have anger. A lot more people have shame. And if you can use that as your gas in the beginning, you'll eventually get to a point where you can get out of that loop and then find something that you are really passionate about. But if you can't tie your shoes, you can't lift the weight, you can't send the DM, then you have to start with whatever you have.
Alright, so there you have it, the final results of Submagic AI. In my opinion, a really cool app. If you want to try out Submagic, make sure to use the coupon code PARTNER10 during checkout for a 10% off for lifetime. I added a link down below to a video that shows you how to use the coupon code. I want to thank you for watching and I hope this video was helpful.